Good evening, ninth and 10th graders. The following presentation is on dynamics we find in music. It is very important that we all understand the markings found in music so that we can play them correctly. Even more important for you, all of the terms in this presentation are on the quiz tomorrow and required at all of your upcoming region and all-state band auditions. Feel free to watch the presentations as many times as you would like. While watching the presentation, please define the words on the worksheet I sent home today. Remember that definitions must be memorized word for the upcoming auditions, so I am requiring that of you now. The worksheet must be turned in for homework tomorrow and is a study guide for the quiz. Let's get started. So, what are dynamics? Dynamics are the different levels of loudness or softness in a piece of music. They are indicated by letters, signs, and abbreviations or symbols in the music. There are two main types or classifications of dynamics, loud and soft. Piano is an Italian word meaning soft. Forte is also an Italian word meaning loud. So, when you see piano in the music, it is indicating that you should play soft. And when you see forte, it is indicating that you should play loud. The words piano and forte are almost never written in music. Instead, their abbreviations P for piano and F for forte are placed just below the staff. There are other variations of and extremes of those soft and loud dynamics. The louder dynamics are fortissimo, indicated by two Fs, it tells us to play very loud. And fortissimo, indicated by three Fs, tells us to play extremely loud. The softer dynamics are pianissimo, indicated by two Ps, tells us to play very soft, and pianissimo, indicated by three Ps, tells us to play extremely soft. Remember that these abbreviations are found just below the staff. There are more subtle shades of dynamics that occur between pianissimo, pianissimo, and fortissimo. These are indicated by adding in a mezzo or M before the piano or forte dynamic. Mezzo means medium half, so the definition of mezzo piano is medium soft as indicated by the MP, and the definition of mezzo forte is medium loud as indicated by the MF. These dynamic levels are relative to each other and is up to the solo performer or conductor to consider factors like the number of instruments playing and the size of the venue to determine how loud or soft to play. Other more rarely seen dynamic indications are forte piano and sforzando piano. Forte piano, indicated by an FP, tells the performer to attack the note on forte, but to immediately get soft. Sforzando piano, indicated by the SFP, tells the performer to suddenly force or accent a note and immediately become soft. Remember that these abbreviations are also found just below the staff. I'd like you to listen to a clip of the following piece entitled Symphony No. 94 in G by F.J. Haydn. This piece was nicknamed the Surprise Symphony because Haydn set the expectations early in the work for soft dynamics and surprised the audience with an abrupt and unexpected fortissimo chord, which was one of Haydn's many famous jokes to make all the ladies jump. The work starts at a piano and then repeats the same music as a pianissimo. I'm sure you were surprised by that. Gradual changes in dynamics include crescendo, decrescendo, and diminuendo. Crescendo means to gradually get louder, and decrescendo and diminuendo both mean to gradually get softer. They are sometimes indicated by the abbreviation seen here or by the following symbols. These are sometimes called hairpins because they look kind of like bobby pins. The important thing to remember is that these symbols are pretty self-explanatory. The symbol for decrescendo clearly shows, or diminuendo, clearly shows that you are starting at a louder dynamic and becoming gradually softer. And the symbol for crescendo clearly shows that you are starting at a softer dynamic and becoming gradually louder. These symbols are also found below the staff and can occur over one measure or several measures. That's your crash course in dynamics. Feel free to watch as many times as you wish, and be sure to fill out that worksheet, which is both your homework and your study guide. See you in class tomorrow.